Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing good. So today we are going to solve day 10 problem of this month on Leetcode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 2981. Find longest special substring that occurs thrice. Okay, so in this problem you are given a string S that consists of lowercase English letters. Okay, a string is called special if it is made up of only a single character. For example, the string ABC is not special. Three different characters are there, right? A, B, and C. Whereas the strings D, 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 okay, so same characters three times, same character two times, same character just one time, okay, are special, alright. We have to return the length of the longest special substring of S. Longest special substring of S which occurs at least thrice. Okay, at least thrice it should be there, and then we have to find the longest length. Okay, longest special substring of S. Or minus 1 if no special substring occurs at least thrice. Okay, at least thrice. Alright. A substring is a contiguous non-empty sequence of characters within a string. Alright. So let's understand this with an example here. Okay. So here, first of all, the constant size is very small. Okay. So we can apply brute force here. Okay. And S consists of only lowercase English letters. Okay. And now see here, example number 1. So here, AA, this AA, and this AA. Okay. So see here, AA is 3 times, right? The longest special substring which occurs thrice is AA, substrings this AA, then this AA, and then this AA. Okay, so 3 times it is there. And what is the length of this one? 2. So we are just returning the length now, right? Alright. Here A is occurring one time, B is occurring one time, C is occurring one time, D is occurring one time, E is occurring one time, F is occurring one time. Okay, so all the special strings like A or B, okay, they are all occurring just one time, not 3 times. Here we see that AA is occurring 3 times. Okay, AA is occurring 3 times. So here no string is occurring 3 times. There exists no special substring which occurs at least thrice. Okay, so we are returning minus 1. Alright, now see this example. So here A is occurring one time, B is occurring one time, C is occurring one time. Okay, then A is occurring 2 times, B is occurring 2 times. Okay, then again A is occurring 3 times. So this A is occurring 3 times. Okay, and the length of this one is 1. Okay, the longest special substring which occurs thrice is A. Substrings like this, and this, it can be shown that the maximum length achievable is 1. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear with all the examples and the problem statement. So now how we are going to solve this problem? Okay, so let's understand that with an example here. So let's say this is your example. Okay, a B C C A A Z, and here A. Okay, so now here see this. Initially you are here at this position. Okay, so here I'm just going to use one map. Okay, in which I'm going to use keys as my strings. Okay, and values as nothing but the frequency. Okay, so here first is A. Okay, so I'm just going to put this here inside this A, and the frequency of this A right now it's 1. Okay, then I am going to check the next character. Okay, so if both are matching, so only then I have to check. Okay, so if here both are matching, so here I am just going to pass this A, and the value of this one is 1. Okay, frequency of this A is 1. Okay, so now after that I'm going to check the next character AAB. No, this AB is different, right? These two are not matching. Okay, so if they are replaced, then I'm going to write, because here I'm writing nothing but special substrings. Okay, those keys only, so this is not valid, right? So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to move to the next position. Okay, so now my I just to this position. Okay, so here A, so A is already there one time, so here the frequency is going to become 2 here. 1 plus 1 2, right? Okay, I'm going to check the next one. A and B, I'm going to compare. So they are not matching, so I'm not going to do anything. Okay, then after that I move to next position B. So B, I'm just going to add B. B frequency is 1. Okay, Then after that, I'm going to compare this BC. So both are not matching, okay, different characters. So after that, I move to this one. So C and C's frequency occurring for first time, okay, 1. Then I'm going to compare this C's and this C, okay. So CC, so here CC, it's not there, okay. So CC, I'm adding here 1, okay. So all these are nothing but my special strings, right? CC, okay. Then I'm going to compare CCA. No, C is different, A is different, right? So I move further, okay. C, now again C is already there, so here I'm just going to increment the count 2. Then I move here, okay. A, compare CA different, so we are not going to do anything. A, okay. So I move to A, so A is there, okay. So just increment the count, and now I'm comparing AA. So A is also there, okay. So here its count is also incremented to 2, okay. And then I'm going to compare AAZ, so different, okay. So I move further, so again A is there, so I'm going to add A. Then I'm going to compare AZ, okay. So AZ different, so I'm not going to put them here in the map. Then I move here, Z is occurring for first time, so here Z frequency is 1, okay. Then after that ZA, I'm going to compare, both are different, I'm not going to put them, okay. Then I move here A, okay. So A, I'm going to increment the frequency of this one, A, okay. And now after that, uh, here I'm going to compare this A, okay. So A, just increment the frequency, okay. So after nothing, okay. So again I reach here, so A is occurring one more time, so here I'm adding A. So see here, we have to return the length of the longest special substring. So this is the longest special substring which is occurring, okay, which occurs at least thrice, okay. So here my output is going to be 2, okay, because this A is occurring thrice, okay, 3 times, here, here, and here, okay. So we are going to return A, okay. So as soon as here one more thing that we are going to deal side by side is, as soon as the length, okay, this value becomes 3, okay, I'm just going to check the length of this key, okay. So I'm going to store the max length only, okay, max length here in this variable. So here, as soon as this becomes 3, let's say this becomes 3 first, so I'm going to store this length 1. Then as soon as this becomes 3, so I'm going to store the max length as 2, okay. Then after that, add anything here, 1 1 1 1, it is 1 only now, so I'm not going to add anything. So here in this variable, I'm going to store the max length only always, okay. So with code you guys will get much better understanding, but same story we have to write in the code, okay. So let's move to the coding part. All right, so here int n is equal to s dot length, okay. And then after that, create a map, okay, hash map. And inside this, we are just going to pass string as keys and integers as the value. All right, let's name it as map only. New hash map, okay. Then after that, we have to just iterate over all the values one by one. For int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, okay. And inside this, we have to check, we are just going to create one string builder, okay. So let's do that. String builder, name it as sb, is equal to new string builder, okay. And now in this string builder, just pass the first value, okay, sb dot append s dot char at index I, okay. Now after that, just put this, okay, map dot put here sb to string, okay. So we are passing the string as key now, so here I'm converting this string builder to key, okay. And here I will check if this key already exists or not, okay. So here map dot get or default, okay. Here check for this key sb dot to string, okay. So if this key is available, then take that value, otherwise take 0 and add 1 to it. Okay, that's the simple meaning of this line. All right, now here side by side just check if map dot get here sb dot toString. Okay, if this key's value, okay, is, okay, map dot get sb dot toString. Okay, so here like this. Okay, so if this becomes greater than equal to 3, okay, only in that case we have to update the max length. So let's create one variable, int max length, okay, and set it to -1. All right, and here inside this I'm just going to update this. Okay, so max length is equal to math dot max. All right, and here write max length. Okay, and now here sb dot length. All right, and after this take one variable k and here I plus 1. Okay, so I'm going to just check the next character. Okay, and inside this just check while k is less than n. Okay, so I'm talking about this part now. Here a I have to compare, here c I'm checking, then c. Okay, this part. So here while k is less than n and s dot char at k, okay, it should be matching with the s dot char at index I. Okay, now here inside this we have to append, okay, sb dot append s dot char at k. All right, and here map, okay, yeah, do one here, take one string new s, let's name it as new s, and just convert this, okay, side by side. So sb to string, okay, convert this. So if we have a, so I'm converting that a to string. If we have a, I'm converting that to string and then put that to map. Okay, so that's a simple meaning here. So here map dot put new s, okay, and here just check if this key is there or not. So if this key is there, then take that key, otherwise take the default, okay, 0, and add 1 to it, okay, default value. So that's it. Okay, and here we have to update the max length if frequency is greater than equal to 3. So same line, that's it. Okay, that's it. If map dot get new s, all right, if it becomes greater than equal to 3, okay, inside this we have to just update the max length, max max length is equal to math dot max of max length, and here new s dot length. All right, so that's it. Okay, okay, and here just do one thing na, here k, increment the k side by side. Okay, so that's it. Okay, and in the end just simply returns max length. Just 26 lines of code, right? Okay, so now let's run it and see if there are code issues. We'll try to fix that. So yes, so here s should be caps, right? New s, and here also s should be caps. Okay, let's run it again. So see, all the test cases has been accepted, right? And here what is the string that I was taking? AA, then BCC. Okay, let's try to add this AA, then we have BCC. Okay, A A B C C, then we have A A Z A A. Okay, A A Z A A. Okay, let's run it and see whether the output is 2 or not. Hmm. Output is 2, right? This is the string that I have added. A B C C A Z A A. Okay, let's submit it now. So see, all the test cases has been accepted, right? And the time complexity for this part. So here I am running this loop for n times of n. Okay, and here inside this while loop I'm running. Okay, so if all the characters are matching, so in the worst case scenario, so it is also going to take of n time complexity. Okay, so overall time complexity I'm going to say of n square. Okay, so I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.